Good morning all. I am Birendra Kumar. I welcome to all in this video. In previous video, I have explained about type of air conditioning system. In type of air conditioning system, I have told room air conditioner. In room air conditioner, I have two types. Room air conditioner means only for one room. Suppose we want to air condition one room, then it is applicable for room air conditioner. Room air conditioner, two types I have told. Window air conditioner, it is one cabinet, all components enclosed in one cabinet, and split air conditioner I have told. In split air conditioner, two divided into two parts. One is told one is called indoor unit, another one is called outdoor unit. In one indoor unit, condenser sorry evaporator coil and blower is inside indoor unit, and outdoor unit has condenser and compressor and liquid line is there interconnect to between the indoor and outdoor unit, and electronic components also is indoor unit. Okay, next I have told in package unit. Package unit what? Package unit is bigger size. Suppose we want to big hall or big office, okay, or two or three rooms, then we can use package air conditioner. I have capacity also, I have told in that video. Now next another one I have told central air conditioner. Central air conditioner, suppose we want to one house, it has 4 5 rooms, or multi-story buildings, it has so many floors is there, then we are applicable, we will have to use only central air conditioner system. In central air conditioner I have told two types: direct expansion system and indirect expansion system. Direct expansion systems I have told. For direct expansion system, what air directly gets cool with come in contact with evaporator coil and we are supplied a cool air through the duct. And indirect, for indirect air conditioning system, we have to cool first water or brine, then water is circulated in a shoes through the pump, through the pipe by pump. After further we will get final cooling by a shoes. Okay, in this video I will explain about service and maintenance. How to why first why service is required. Suppose during long operation we are running air conditioner, then it will get some rust. It will take some rust or something, rust corrosion or something. Then we have to periodically we have to check leak test and pressure test and condition of the evaporator coil and condenser. Suppose long operation, outside is more dust is there, then it will cling into condenser coil. And what happened? Condenser coil side it will affect heat transfer. Suppose more dust is here. Okay, now dusty condenser coil. Then what happened here? Dust one form a layer. Water air going, suppose what air cooled condenser, then air going, but it not touch it not come in contact with condenser coil, then heat transfer will be less. Heat transfer will be less means pressure will go high, and condensation proper will not happen. Condensation not happen means performance of air conditioner will be reduced, then capacity of efficiency of air conditioner will be reduced. Then next same here, evaporator coil also inside more suppose articles is there, then human beings we are also exposed some dust. Then dust what happen, it will cling into here wet. Actually here running time, here some I have told in previous video, air has some water vapor. Then water vapor it will here wetted condition. Wetted condition means dust will go and it will directly attack, it will cling into the here coil tips, then fins, it will be closed. Closed means heat, proper air will not touch, proper air will not touch. Sometimes complaint is coming from air conditioner, sir, proper air initial before more air is coming, but now very less air is coming in the room. cooling also less, then we have to take service also. Suppose very low, our evaporator coil or condenser coil will be closed condition, then efficiency of the air conditioner will be down. Okay, then now we will start. Suppose in previous video I have told some what we have to check points. Suppose we have arrested, we went to the service. Okay, then first for service I am telling, for service what we have to do. We have to clean the filter first. A return air, check the return air filter, and we have to clean the air return air filter and evaporator coil. We by water spray or sauce, little soap solution we can use, apply, but detergent should be as per recommended for air conditioner coil cleaner. Another detergent will be, it will can damage the fins and coils also. So recommended soap solution we have to use only. Now here cleaning, next same condenser coil will suppose dirty condition, we have to clean proper. And next we have to check leak test. Suppose we are going service, then we will have to leak test, we should do properly leak test also. First indication leak test we are suppose going means any all joints we have to observe, means we will see what we will see oil mark, leaky point compulsory it will show the oil mark. So oil mark will indication of the leak point. Okay, next check oil condition. If suppose the compressor has side glass, then we can see oil condition. Suppose it is yellow, means it will need to change. It is totally white or transparent, means this is very good condition of oil. Next, service is over, then we will have to take reading. Two readings compulsory we have to do. First room readings or return air readings. Next another one reading we have to take evaporator coil reading. Okay, everything normal means service okay, it will get sufficient performance and no problem. Next, suppose a problem came means suppose I have checked leak point, then what will we have to, suppose we have first we will have to recovery the gas, because we are exposing the atmosphere, the suppose leak gas, then it will affect the atmosphere, and we now present condition is very bad condition because global warming. Before we are using CFC refrigerant, that time ozone depletion potential very effective. Now totally avoid no production for CFC. So ozone depletion may be problem solved. Now now very critical condition for global warming. We are continuously releasing HFC or HCFC gases, then it will directly affect to, it is going to make a layer, and our average heat will not expose, will not reflect to the space. Then continuously we are seeing day by day in every summer season, last summer season this much heat, now this season this much heat, slowly increasing. That is the global warming. So we have to minimize the, we should compare totally, we not expose or release the gas. We compulsory we can use because it is a chemical. It cannot, it cannot damage. We will recover and we can use another again, no issue. Okay, then first we will water, we will recover the gas recovery and store in the cylinder. Very next we have to put the cylinder, nitrogen cylinder means we have first use nitrogen, what nitrogen cylinder vertical position, and regulator compulsory we have to use, because we are suppose not nitrogen charging. Then what happen, if nitrogen full cylinder is minimum 2000 psi. 2000 psi is much more. Some accidents also, suppose we are not taking care, then accident may be chances. So we will have to use regulator properly, and regulator one pipe is we have to connected in here, and we slowly first here we check how much is pressure in new cylinder means 2000 psi, and regulator we have to here wall open, and the regulator slowly open, and we have to close here. Then this regulator we have to close. Now high side, how much we have to give pressure? High side, suppose R134, then we can give 250 psi, because maximum for air cooled condenser maximum operating condition of the for discharge side. Here two sides is there, high side and low side. Evaporator side evaporator side from evaporator TXV, after TXV to suction line it is called low side, and discharge side to liquid line side it is called high side. Suppose we are high side means 250 psi we can give the pressure, no problem. Maximum operating of the discharge pressure we can give nitrogen pressure. Now suppose LP side we will have to give only up to standing pressure. Suppose 134A room temperature is something, means it is standing pressure approximately 100 for 134 134 for 134 gas A is 100 psi we can give, no problem for low side. But low side we will not we cannot give 250 psi because here designed low pressure is designed here up to standing pressure we are given is it will some problem will come, punch tubes or something damage, yet some walls also is there, it will can damage, maybe damage, then problem will come. So maximum here low side only standing standing pressure we can give pressure of the nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen pressure is given, leak tested, no leak find out. Some leak find out we have to take care, we have to solve the correct, take in correct action, then problem solved. Now again after leak problem solved, then we will have to hold pressure up to maximum as a possible, means we will have to hold 20 up to 24 hours. 24 hours of pressure is down means we again we have to check leak test. Okay, leak test over, no leak find out, then we will have to what, vacuum. What is the vacuum? Actually below atmospheric pressure is termed as the vacuum. In compound gauge it will show only minus 30 inches of mercury. Okay, so we'll suppose 30 minutes we are for small units, 30 minutes enough for vacuum, and hold, we have to hold the vacuum also minimum possible means 24, but not possible means minimum 4-5 hours also we can hold the vacuum. Suppose pressure no increase, not build up means okay, this is okay. Suppose pressure build up means something leak is there, we have to take again leak test, and we have to take correct action. Vacuum is over for bigger plant. For bigger minimum we have to vacuum 100 microns and maximum 1000 microns we have to give. Actually here 760 mm, this is the atmospheric pressure. For digital gauge we can use for because here compound gauge only minus 30 up to minus 30 means this is the below atmospheric pressure, because 30 inches is the atmospheric pressure, but it cannot show, we cannot possible to observe how much is the pressure. Okay, so digital gauge we have to use. Okay, next vacuum is over, then two things is there we have to charge. One we will have to liquid charge. First we will have to oil charge. Suppose no oil means we will have to new oil. Suppose any leak point find out, new fresh oil we will have to charge, because that older oil now present condition we are using 134A. 134A oil we are using POE, polyol ester oil. What? POE oil recommended. Polyol ester. It is highly affinity of water vapor or moisture. It fastly absorb. What? It fastly absorb moisture. Then it will be damaged. So we will have to one side. We suppose here vacuum. We are given vacuum means then one hose is given in bottle of the one hose connected given in suppose this hole here oil can be connected and vacuum switch on means automatically it will it will enter to the compressor. Okay, this is the process actual process and right procedure to fill the oil. We will not vacuum first, we will do to putting oil then vacuum, that is not correct. We will have to vacuum and procedure vacuum switch on continuously, and we are here drop given and oil, it will automatically suck the oil in system. Okay. Oil is over, then vacuum on, then again two things is there. We suppose we want to liquid charge, means we will have to high size only liquid line size we applicable to liquid charging. Okay. Then liquid charging means we will have to air condenser size, any here suppose any port is given, then we will charge liquid here, no problem. Suppose we want to vapor charge, means it will suppose charging over liquid, not liquid now not going, then we switch on the air conditioner. Now switch on air conditioner, then switch on means we have to check proper pressure corresponding to temperature. So suppose all are equal means, okay, no problem. Suppose less pressure is going, that we will again we have to top up the vapor. Vapor means we will have to connect here, this watch here disconnect, and this here connecting. But weight also required. We are charging means accurate. We use amount of charge means it will best performance. Otherwise, its performance will be affected. Why? More charge means discharge pressure will go high, and next compressor will also float back. Here compressor will more liquid is coming here. Suppose no the temperature reach, means liquid going into the compressor, then it will affect and it can damage the compressor. So avoid more charge and also avoid low charging. Proper amount of we have to charge. Okay, I think this is over in this video. In next video I will again some different same topic, air conditioning, but I will take another like a package unit, maintenance of package unit. This is the common. Okay, thanks for watching. All the best. Okay, bye.